Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to approach market using daily buys and how can you execute the trade with a proper channel. This strategy is based on ICT, so liquidity sweep, market structure shift, and internal range liquidity and the external range liquidity. So make sure you watch this video till end. It will be a great video for you. So I'm on the gold chart, weekly time frame. So as you know, we have a swing point, a low and a high, right? So we will measure from low to the high to identify our premium and discount. Our discount area is area that is below 50% and a premium area that is above of 50%, right? So anything in premium we sell, anything in discount we buy, right? Overall market is bullish. So if you see, price just came our discount and hit on the fair value gap, right? Approach upside, we have this fair value gap in the premium and market to the downside, right? So technically we have here market shift as well. Okay, so we have here order block on a weekly time frame, right? Let's jump into the daily time frame, right? So in the daily time frame, price reach on the weekly order block and simultaneously stake the liquidity here as well, as you can see here, right? Sorry. Then we will go to the 4-hour time frame and you will see once price take out any liquidity here, then you will wait for a market structure shift, right? That is happen here, right? But for that purposes we will use a smaller time frame, that is 15 minutes, okay? Because if, as you can see here, price tab, we have this 3 session, right? So many people asking about my session indicator. Let me show you. This is the Asian session range. Okay, I didn't change anything in input. In style, I close these 3 corners. Asia green, London blue, New York red, and tick off this all another options, right? But these sessions in some indices like US 30 it does not work, okay, but it will work on US 100, SPX 500, gold, and in forex all pairs, right? Okay, so as you can see here, we have once price tap on daily plus take out the liquidity, okay, then we see here a market shift, right? Okay, so we are technically now from bullish to bearish shifted, right? So we have narratives that we tap on the daily order block, a weekly order block, and we took out the liquidity of daily time frame in 4-hour, okay, and we shift it. Now our price reach in a kill zone hour silver bullet 315, if you can see here, right? Price reach into this fair value gap. This is a 15-minute time frame, okay, and this is opening of a London session and price are in the fair value gap, right? Okay, from here we enter the trade, okay, we put our stop loss above and we target a 4-hour, okay. Now let me teach you something very knowledgeful, okay. So in 2024 ICT teach one more thing about liquidity, that which relative equal high is most probable, most highly taken out, okay. What does it mean by that? If you can see here, this is the swing point, okay, and the next swing point okay, is higher than the previous one, right? So these swing points, these relative equal high are low probability, right? Where is the high probability? In the downside. That is still need to be taken, right? As you can see, this is the lowest one and this is the little bit highest one. It's not equal or below from that one. If any fair value gap, if you've seen if any relative equal lows or highs that are look like this, that first one is lower in the down cases, first one is lower than the second one, then it will be highly probability, okay? And for high, if this was higher than the second one, it will be the high probability also as well, okay? So here is the our target. So the 15-hour trade, it was a 15-hour trade. So you technically you will approach a market like that. You will start from a weekly, you will understand the bias, daily narratives, and then slowly shift the time into the downside and you can trade. You can simply trade from 1 hour as well, but as you can see, we have this market section shift, okay, we have this fair value gap or block, right? And from there, and after that, until you reach the objective, you can scale more trades in the way, like this fair value gap, this breaker, right? Because these also, once it's shift, we have these also, we have this here, and then when it's shifted, we have the fair value gap, and so on until we reach the objective, right? So that's how you can approach to the market with technical way, okay? Not just come and buy and sell. And you can apply same thing that's I apply. I start from weekly, you can start from 4 hour, okay? For me is like weekly is a my higher time frame. For you it can be 4 hour or 1 hour, or it can be 50 minutes if you scalp, because for this type trade it can be run for 4 to 5 days and even a weeks, okay? So that's how you operate the market and that's how you see the markets, okay? So if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, and if you didn't choose the any instant funding, a cheap prop firm which are cheaper than the evolution prop firms, here are the prop firm. Make sure you join this one. I give you link in the description and it will be awesome for you, okay? There is also a code as well, okay? So also some good brokers with zero spread in the description, and join my Telegram channel. It will be free. I will not charging for any course, anything. Until next time, be safe.